This is our smart attendance system project using image processing. The main feature is like two-factor authentication system. Here we are recognizing the face using the camera, and we have the fingerprint sensor to recognize the fingerprint. Once both are authenticated, then the door will be open. And if any of the things are failed, like example, it's failed to recognize the face or fingerprint, then we can able to access using this secure access web portal. So now we'll have a demo. The PIR sensor, the person came and it will detect that the person came. It will ask to show the face to the camera. Now it's trying to capture the image, and we have the feeded the images. It will show the name if the feeded image is matching with the person shown the image. And now we will give the authentication for the two-factor authentication. Now it's recognized and fixing the relay is on now, so door will be open, and after 5 seconds door will automatically also close. Okay, every detection it will send the email to the registered email ID showing that this is the person. We'll check in the email, so authentication successful email we have received. It will have to come with the picture also, like the person who trying to access the door, that images also it will come. If it failed to detect, then also unauthorized access observed email also will receive with the person's face. So all those things are controlled basically using the raspberrypi 4. We are using the 4 GB model. We need also, we can able to access using the web portal also. The defined user ID and password. If you try to unlock the door using this credential, it can able to open it, and it will after 5 seconds will automatically close. Smart attendance system will work. And the face recognition, like example, we have to preloaded the face and fingerprint. Those can be done by this admin portal. So we have a admin portal for this. There we can register the face and the fingerprint.